What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another useful Excel tutorials. Today I want to help you understand the difference between relative reference and absolute reference in Excel. But before that, hit the subscribe button to see my future tutorials and hit like if you like my video. So let's begin. When you use Excel, it is almost certain that you will use a formula. Formulas in Excel can have either relative or absolute reference or both, as we can see later in this video. In this particular table, we wanted to track down the monthly enrollment in a class by adding the enrollment for male and female for each month. To do that, click on cell E4 and type equals, click on C4 plus D4. Hit enter. When we enter the formula in C4, we actually tell Excel to go 2 cells to the left and add its value to the cells right next to its left. Cells C4 and D4 are references for the value in E4. So when we copy cell E4, Ctrl C, and paste it in cell E5, Ctrl V, Excel gives you the sum of the cells C5 and D5. Paste it in cell E6, Ctrl V, and Excel gives you the sum of cell C6 and D6. And so on. The type of reference used in this formula is called relative reference. Wherever we paste this formula, it will always refer to 2 cells to its left and the immediate cell to its left. Now let's proceed to the next sheet. In cell D4, we wanted to know the value added tax of shampoo based on its price on cell C4 by multiplying it to the tax rate in G3. So we'll type in equals, click on C4 times G3, hit enter. Observe what happens when we copy this formula down to cell D5. Okay, so click on cell D4, Ctrl C, click on cell D5, Ctrl V. This right here is 0 in accounting, which we know is not a 12% of 25 pesos. So what happened here? Double click on cell D5. Observe that instead of referring to cell G3, it referred to cell G4. So what's wrong with the formula? Let's delete D5 and double click on D4. We wanted to tell Excel to always refer to cell G3 no matter where we copy this formula. To do that, we simply put $sign before G and another $sign before 3. Hit enter. Now we can copy this down and get the result what we wanted. Copy, Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V. If we double click on cell D5, it referred to G3. And if you double click on cell D6, it also referred to G3. The beauty of this is when we change the tax rate, say instead of 12%, let's say 11%, it will automatically update the value added tax in column D. Here, $sign G, $sign 3 is an absolute reference. Hit escape. There are times when a reference can both be relative and absolute. In this particular sheet, we want to make a multiplication table where every yellow colored cell is simply a product of its row header and column header. For example, cell H10 here is a product of 8 and 6. Now click on cell C3. Type equals, click cell B3 times cell C2 and hit enter. If we wanted to copy this formula to all of the yellow cell, we wanted to tell Excel to always refer to this column, column B, and this row, row 2. So let's double click on cell C3. We have to restrict Excel to always refer to column B by putting $sign before V and another $sign before 2, and tell Excel to always refer to row 2 and hit enter. Copy it to the right. Okay, and copy it down. Okay. If you want this kind of multiplication table where multipliers are shown in each cell, we will use the same concept. So we'll just have it longer. We'll type equals Click on this, ampersand, double quote, space, capital X, space, double quote, ampersand. Click on this, then ampersand, double quote, space, equals, space, double quote, ampersand. Click on B3 again, times C2. But we wanted to restrict Excel to always refer to column B, so let's put $sign in column B, then before 2, $sign before B again, and then $sign before 2, then hit enter. Alright, so we can copy this to the right, then copy it down again. Alright, let's fix this. Okay, so there you have. Thanks for watching. Peace.